Flowing light, alcohol and India ink painting on encaustic. Explore the unparalleled fluidity, luminosity, and vibrance of alcohol and India inks on encaustic wax. In this instructional video, you'll learn a myriad of techniques to explore the capricious, shape-shifting nature of ink. You'll learn how to evoke cell-like bursts, blossoming waves, crackle effects, metallic luster, and more from your inks on encaustic. The differences between alcohol and India inks and their distinctive qualities and applications. The tricks for effective and controlled encaustic fusing. What tools add detail and form to your work. Studio setup, safety, resources, and more. Push your creative boundaries, exploring these sensational mixed media fluid paints. Be amazed by the fascinating effects and unexpected images that bloom before your eyes, and learn how to dance with them in collaborative flow to create magic on encaustic wax. Sign up now for Flowing Light, alcohol and India ink painting on encaustic.